Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 27 Pearl Street in Brantford. This home offers exceptional value to both investors and families. With 4 bedrooms on the upper level and a 5th bedroom on the main level that can easily be converted back to main floor living space, this home has a ton to offer. Let's go take a look inside. The main level of this home offers a spacious kitchen with fresh white cabinetry and a walkout to the backyard deck. The formal dining room has enough space for a large harvest table to seat all of your guests and provides the convenience of a door that leads to the side deck. The living room is spacious and offers an abundance of natural light that flows through its oversized window. The front room on the main level has been used as a 5th bedroom for a number of years, but can be opened back up as an additional living room or den. As an added convenience, the main floor also features a 2-piece washroom and a coin-operated laundry facility. A rare find for a single-family home in this price range, the upper level of this home offers 4 spacious bedrooms. What a great space for student living or a large family. It's also equipped with a full 4-piece bathroom. And what this video may not be showing is that the home has been freshly updated and painted throughout. It's in great condition and ready for its next occupants to simply move in and enjoy. This property has just the right amount of outdoor space to allow for entertaining on the backyard patio or the very spacious backyard deck. And what a nice bonus to have no rear neighboring homes looking down on you. Not only is this property great, but the location of the neighborhood is second to none. It's just steps from Wilfrid Laurier University, downtown Brantford, Laurier Brantford YMCA, and Robert Moore Park. And it's in close proximity to Highway 24 and the 403. As you can see, this home has so much to offer for both investors and families. For investors, it will surely cash flow at the price point that it's being offered at. And for families, it offers exceptional value for the size of home you're getting and the neighborhood that you'll be living in. Give me a call today for your private viewing. I'm sure you're going to love this home.